how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to make some, you know what? That's right, some air fried chicken wings. And today I'll be breading them with Louisiana chicken fry. And it says spicy on here. Okay, but I'm still going to add a little extra red pepper. Y'all know me. So, I didn't cut my wings. So I want to cut them. I already washed them and towel dried them. For those of you all who don't get perfect results, you have to, well, if you wash your wings or rinse your wings, make sure you drain the water out the bowl and towel dry them. Pat them dry as possible. Take the paper towel and sop up the water in the bottom of the bowl so they're dry. So you have to start with dry wings to get good air fried wings that are crispy. Because a lot of people still write me and they have problems with getting good results with their wings. So that's what I do. And I use yellow mustard in my chicken. It just adds another layer of flavor. I think it tenderizes, not sure. It helps the seasoning stick better. Just a nice squirt. Why I got this up so high? That's how much mustard I got in here. I don't know how many wings this is. I'm going to add a little extra and some cayenne pepper. Walter, you've been using up my red pepper. This looks mighty scarce. And I'm going to add some celery seed to my chicken. Yeah, that's right. Maybe a half a teaspoon. This is what I'm using. Not celery salt, celery seed. But I need to add tenderizer. Let me get it.
Put some meat tenderizer on that chicken.
You ain't getting none.
You hear that?
Meat tenderizer. This has salt in it. This is the seasoned kind, so that means it has salt in it. Just sprinkling that freely. Put my glove on and
eat that with the chicken.
I'm gonna smush it. What you burning? It smells like something burning. The oven on? You ain't getting no chicken. This ain't enough for you. I'm eating all this. This big bowl full. Okay, I'm just gonna smush it so every piece is coated. You see it's too much seasoning on one piece, just smush it and rub it off and put it on something else. I'm trying to keep this so y'all can see. Okay. Okay. Let this sit for about 5 minutes while I prepare my breader bowl. And by that I mean I'm just going to add my breading into the bowl. Okay. Looks like every piece is coated. I'll let some of that seasoning sink in. See how it looks. So take this off. Okay. that up, put that up. Prepare this. I like using the breader bowl. This is what I use. It has a little cage thingy in it. And pour the chicken fry mix in the bottom of this. Don't need all of it. That should be enough. Show y'all. Just a little bit. Now if you're frying up a bunch of chicken, then you may need all of it. And I wind up touching this after put the chicken wings on top of that cage. Call it a cage. That wing was little. Top on. Secure it and shake. See how well covered it is. Let's see. It's all covered. Okay. Turn this on. I already plugged it in. Turn it on. Oh, I put a parchment paper sheet on top of my grill pan. This is my grill pan. And I got foil in the bottom of here. So I've cooked in here a couple times now. I haven't had to wash this. I wash my grill pan. Okay. Put my wings in here. That way. I'll try to put them in the same direction. So when I flip them, I know what's been flipped and what hasn't been flipped. How much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put 2 more, and that's enough. And add some for tomorrow. I'm cooking 7 wings. See how well it coated. Nice. So I didn't cut the wings this time. So this is 7 wings, whole wings. Trying to arrange them in here so they're not overlapping. Get your little self over here. Okay. And I'm just going to add these wings in here. Put these in the refrigerator for tomorrow. I don't like to bread my wings and put them in the refrigerator because the breading tends to get hard if I let it sit overnight. Now it's okay if you're going to take it out in maybe 30 minutes to an hour. But if you plan on letting it sit overnight, at least in my case, they tend to get hard, and I don't like no hard breading. I like it nice and crispy, but not hard. Okay, I got olive oil in here, my Evo oil sprayer. I'm going to spray it now. Okay, if you find that your sprayer sprays all the breading off, then cook it for 5 minutes as Booger 500 does, and then spray it after it's been air frying for 5 minutes. Okay. I already turned it on. I'm going to set it for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to set it for 24 minutes. And start. Y'all see what I'm doing? And the wattage on what I have this set to is 1800 watts. It has the 900 watt, the 1500 watt, and the 1800 watt setting on here. And I always keep it at 1800. Store this breading back in my lefties bag. I like the lefties bag because it has a Ziploc top. And I will be back, y'all. Y'all see this little Fitbit thingy I got on here? I have the Fitbit Zip. My daughter just sent it to me. I mentioned to her that I want to start tracking how many steps I take per day. And this, the UPS man, I think the UPS, no, it was in the mailbox. Got this out the mailbox, out front. So I set it up with my laptop and my iPad. So it's tracking my steps. So I just ordered me one of them ankle bracelets, but I got a colorful one. So I don't look like I'm on house arrest, wearing that black thing around my ankle. I'll be back, y'all. These wings have been air frying for 11 minutes. Well, it's on the 11. I set it for 24, so it's on the 11. So I'm going to show y'all how it looks. This is how it looks. I'm going to flip the wings. And you don't have to go exactly halfway, at the halfway mark, flipping the wings. Y'all see. I usually wait till they're almost done. Flipping them, and I'm going to spray them again on this other side. Got my olive oil. Okay, that's it. I'm finished cooking them the rest of the 24 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, this air fryer is getting ready to stop. It's counting down from 1 minute, so it's on the 13 right now. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to show you all my plate. Well, let me show you how I take this out of here. This is how it looks. You hear it sizzling? Now this piece that was down here at the right corner, it didn't cook as golden as the other pieces for some reason. So that corner doesn't circulate as well. I won't grease the pot on me. I'm just gonna put all the wings on one plate to take my thumbnail. And I'll put Walter's stuff back in here. Just a little bit. Look at this little thing. I'm gonna eat it just like I eat the big ones. That parchment paper caught this mess. I still have to wash the grill pan, but that caught the bulk of it. Show y'all this golden brown fried chicken. Look at that, y'all. Nice golden brown air fried chicken. Yum, 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 yum. I used Louisiana chicken breading, the spicy kind. Is this a good enough thumbnail? It looks kind of dark. Okay, that'll have to do. And this kind of salad I got. I know it's a crazy salad. Got some lettuce and some mandarin oranges. Okay. Thanks for watching. And you all be very blessed. I ain't gonna try to taste it. Make your own, then you can taste your own chicken. And I already know how it's gonna taste. Okay, bye.